Get ready with me! Going to church. Kahit wala tayong religion, I'm not a Catholic, I'm not a Christian, I'm not Iglesia ni Cristo, and not anything. I just believe in God. And I don't have a specific religion. Yes, I don't have any. So, let's start with my eyebrows. So, fast forward na lang yun, dyan siya. I am so bare, I don't have any filter. So, mabilis lang ako mag-ayos talaga. So, eyebrows, ayan siya. And then, brush, brush, brush a little bit. After eyebrows, let's put on some eyeliner. Yes, that's non-negotiable. Kapag may eyeliner akong available. Pero pag wala, carry lang din namang wala. So, ayan siya. Medyo nagkamali pa ako dyan. But it's okay kasi meron naman tayong cotton buds. And then with the eyeliner, so, yeah, I think I got it kasi nga, pinantay ko siya. I think nabura ko siya lahat. So, we're done with the eyebrows, done with the eyeliner, and move tayo sa blush on. So, isa lang yung ginamit ko that is Magic Blusher that I get from TikTok. And sobrang daling-dali lang niyang ma-blend. Para siyang yung Instapink kanyan, yung effect niya. And though hindi ko pa yung nagamit. So, gusto ko yan kasi all-in-one yan. Ayan o. Lip tint, blush on, pwede mo din siyang gamiting eyeshadow, and pwede mo din siyang gamitin na nose blush. Para ka lang sinapak. Ganun lang talaga yung dating. And after that, I think I love my look. May pakanta-kanta na. Ay, napapakanta ka na. And nag-iingay ang aso sa kabila. So, lagay muna tayo ng nagkamali pa nga ng eye drops. Because it's hot. Nakakadry ng mata ang init. Diyos me, yung marimar. Diba, ang dimak? Hindi uso ang tissue. And yan, gamit ko yung Glam Fix na, ano yan? Eyelash curler because why not? And then, after nyan, maglalagay tayo ng powder kasi to remove the oil sa mukha. I have a very, very oily face. If you don't know it, just sharing. So, yun siya. We're using Tender Care. Diba? Ang simple lang ng tao ito. Alam niyo ba yan? And dahil napasobrang ating blush on, umabot siya ng jawline. Spray lang tayo ng alcohol at buburahin natin. Diyos me, Mariman. Anyways, ayan na siya. It's coming together. Now let's lift or let's curl our eyelash again. And then let's put on some mascara. Diba? So, mascara naman siya. Pagkagabi, naglalagay ako ng mascara sa lower lash. Pero kapag umaga, sa taas lang, syempre. And then, let's make our eyebrows bushy-bushy. Alam mo yun, medyo akala mo mala Andrea Brillantes, pero no, it's not. Anyways, I think I'm good. So, let's get to our outfit. I just wear that simply shirt that's from my mama. And then, pants. And then, yeah, tapos na ako, binuhay ko yung aircon diyan. Diyos ko kasi sobrang init talaga ang panahon ngayon. Para tayong nasa oven. Anyways, so I just put my hair down and a little session of combing my hair before I go. So, yan. Ayan na yan siya. Very simple. Very, very, very chic. And, yun lang. Wala lang. I like my looks. It's, sobrang dainty lang siya. Charis. Hindi siya nagmamayabang. At, hindi mo kailangan ng mamahaling makeup to look good. No filter yan, guys, ha? Yes, let's go to church.